Welcome to the Motown India show. My name is Rapi Tharian. Today, Kia Motors India has launched the Carens. Yes, it's the much-awaited seven-seater, and this vehicle will compete with the likes of its own homegrown Alcazar and several other seven-seaters. So what exactly is this? Is it an MPV or is it an SUV with seven seats? Well, it's a mixture of both. It's very SUV looking and got a very sedan stance. We're going to get closer to this vehicle and point out all the refreshing features in this vehicle. So stay tuned